How to fix no service error in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. Restart your iPhone, it can fix minor glitches. After restart your iPhone, then open settings and click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. In second, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings, and here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and reinsert your SIM card. After you insert your SIM card, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.